Hey y'all, I'm Diamond Painting Cajun. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Yes, I do change, I do bathe. I'm just in the same shirt because I'm filming back to back because I need to catch up. I was out for a little while, so I need to catch up. Anyway, if you're new here, like I said, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. If you have not subscribed yet, please consider doing so as this helps my channel, and hit the like button. Now, I have another gift unboxing, okay? This is another gift. Hold on. Let me pick it up. Ugh. Okay, so this came in a package. This came in a box. And it is from Jackie Williams. Thank you, Jackie, for this gift. I really appreciate it. I don't know what it is yet because I peeked, but I didn't like. I don't know everything that's in here. I just saw a card. Okay. And there is it's a card. I mean, I knew there was a card. I saw that. Sorry, y'all. Let me pick y'all up. Look the card. It's so cute. Y'all, just look. It looks like a real photo. I'm not going to read it out loud because I'm not sure she wants me to. Let me see. Look, I don't know if she wants me to read this out loud. So I'm not going to, but I do want to show y'all. Look how cute. I just can't help it. It's so stinking cute. It is so cute, y'all. Okay, so this is cute, the box. Look how it has flowers and stuff. It's so cute. I have Germex. God, she must know me so well because I like Germex. I really like, y'all. I use that all the time. All the time. I don't like to catch colds and stuff because all them kids come with their snotty noses and stuff. And let me tell you, I don't want to get sick. So Germex, thank you so much, Jackie. I love Germex. I'm sorry. I know it sounds strange, but I always carry this on me everywhere I go. Always. She knows me well. And this is cute. If I can get it open. Oh, it's a file. Look, y'all, look the little fingernail. And Lord, I need that in my purse. Yes, I love it. That's cute too. Thank you so much. I love this. It's got cherries, y'all. It's so cute. I love this. This is too cute. I can't even. It's so cute. And it has a case, y'all. I can't even, though. I'm sticking this in my purse. And this, the Germex. I dropped it. Sorry. I can't hold it. Oh, Richard is going to laugh at this. I can't hold it in my hand. Look how cute. It's so cute. Y'all, my eye itches. I'm sorry. I couldn't even move, y'all. My neck was hurting so bad. Like, literally, it was hurting so bad. I had to rub some stuff on it and heating pad and all kind of stuff. So, it's a picture frame, and y'all know what's going to go in here, right? A picture of me and my mom is going to go in this picture frame. Yeah. When I can. I just can't do it right now, y'all. I just can't. I don't know. I just can't right now. Can't. And a notebook. Man, I needed this the other day bad. Really bad. It's a little notebook. Look how cute. And it's pink. My favorite color. One of my favorite colors is pink. Look how stinking cute. That's just too cute. Too cute. You really thought of everything, Jackie. Oh. Some skin softener. Some cocoa butter skin softener. Y'all, that is so nice. Because y'all, she must know me well, I don't know, Jackie, you aced everything, because so far, I like everything regardless. I like anything, if you give me this, I'd be happy with it. I don't care. I'm just happy like that. I appreciate gifts people give me. Oh my God, Jackie, did you know my mom had breast cancer? Like, she had breast cancer before, like many years ago. So she gave me this, y'all, look at this bracelet. I know y'all, it's not inverted, so, but it says strength. And it has the cancer thing, y'all. I have a little bitty wrist. Look at this. My wrist is like that big. Well, that big. But look how cute. I love it. Thank you so much, Jackie. I like that. I like all my gifts. Y'all, look at this pen. I love it. I love it. I love these pens. I love these pens. They're so stinking cute. It has jewels in it, and it's purple. Purple and pink are my two favorite colors. I mean, I don't know. Jackie, you aced everything, all the colors, everything. I don't know, you read minds or something, because Lord have mercy, girl. You got everything. You got everything I could need. I'll use everything, all of this. You already know. Definitely need Kleenex. You already know I need Kleenex. I need this in my purse though. That's these things is these gifts and stuff right here. These things, like, to me, it's gold, like golden. This just, I love it. I love it. Jackie, thank you. I love it. I got some lip gloss. Oh, this is cute. Y'all, look how cute. It's some lip gloss, and it's cute. Let me see this. I could do that. It's not dark either. Like, I'd probably, I don't know. I don't want to pass it again on my arm, but that's cute color. I just fade it out a little bit, because I'm not big on, I love pink though, but I don't like dark lip gloss, but I like this. Thank you so much. That's cute. Okay, so I think I'm gonna tell y'all this is a cardinal, and let me tell y'all about this before. I think the enclosed cardinal means that a past loved one is near. So let me tell y'all, Jackie, it's so funny that you say that. It's strange that you say that. Every single day, and I'm not joking, every day they have a red cardinal that sits outside of my window, okay, like in a tree. Like, I can see, I live in the country, so I can see trees and everything. Every day, okay? And every time I see that cardinal, I'm like, that's my mom. How much y'all want to bet? How much you want to bet? Because every day, I used to see it often, then it went away. And see, my grandmother liked cardinals a lot. She was a cardinal lover. She would sit at her window every day and watch them all day, every day. Okay? I mean, she would eat and fix food, but literally that's the rest of her time spent watching the birds, the cardinals, okay? And my mom, she liked those as well. Like, when she saw them, you know, oh, look how cute, it's so pretty, or, you know, something like that, something to that effect. But, or she would say, listen to the birds. So it came back, okay? It's probably, if I had to guess, I would say when my mom got sick, it was after December. So I don't know. It wasn't that long ago it started coming back. Okay. They had 2 of them. I don't know. I don't know what to make of it, but it's just, I believe what you say, Jackie. So I'm just saying. That's just me. Everybody has their own beliefs and their own everything. This is my belief. This is my opinion, my belief. Because before, just, you know, when I'd see him for a little while after my grandma passed and stuff, back and forth and stuff like that. And I just started really noticing it. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know, started coming around a lot. Every day, all day. That's it. All day, every day. So it's just weird. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Maybe I'm just reading too much into it. I don't know. Okay, I'm digging in this box. Okay, so there we go. So this, okay, I'm going to read it to y'all. This is the little card that goes to it. It says, the Christmas Cardinal Charm. This little cardinal brings good luck to you. It symbolizes the power of faith in all that you do. Its brilliant red color symbolizes joy and Christmas cheer, bringing beauty and warmth to last throughout the year. Wishing you all the joys of the season. So, that came with this. It's so cute. I need to figure out how maybe I can make it a cover minder. And we got this as well. Jackie, you really didn't have to do none of this. I really appreciate this so much. All these gifts are so wonderful, so thoughtful. Like, you really did put a lot of thought into these gifts. And I really do appreciate it. I really do. From the bottom of my heart, I appreciate it. It means a lot to me. Especially, you know, the meaning of the cardinal and then this. Look at that, y'all. It's an angel. I love this so much. So much. So much. This is so cute. And it has a card as well. And it says, this angel may be carried in a pocket, held, or placed on a shelf. And I'm going to put it on my bookshelf along with the cardinal until I figure out what I'm going to do with them. Like, am I going to make cover minders? I don't think so. Not out of this. I think this is just going to go on my bookshelf with the card for display. The cardinal, I don't know yet. I haven't decided. Faith is believing, trust the Lord right from the start. Let your light shine and keep goodness in your heart. Keep this guardian angel close each and every day. Always have faith and blessings will come your way. And that's a fact. That's a true story. That is a fact. Facts. It's so cute. I love this so much. I'm really trying not to cry right now because I don't want to cry again. I just cried a while ago. And so yeah. This really means a lot to me. Jackie, thank you so much. These are absolutely the most thoughtful gifts. Like, you just don't know. And the card, I'm not reading it to everybody. I'm sorry, y'all. Because I'm not sure if she want me to or not. So I'm not going to. I'm going to respect her and not read it. So thank y'all for watching this haul, this unboxing. Yeah, that's it. Thank y'all for watching this unboxing, y'all. Jackie, like I said, these gifts are wonderful and I really appreciate it. And that was so thoughtful and so kind of you to send me. You didn't even have to send anything. Nobody does, y'all. Y'all know me. I just like y'all because y'all my friends and because y'all my diamond painting community. I love y'all so much. Y'all already know how I feel about each and every one of y'all. And I appreciate y'all so much. Thank y'all so much for being part of my support system because I really do need y'all in my life and as a support system, and y'all have really shown me so much support. Anyway, thank you, Jackie. Again, I appreciate all the gifts and I appreciate you and love y'all so much. Thank y'all for watching, and until next time, bye y'all.